All right, so this is how I make $184,000 a month selling free websites to contractors. So here's my Stripe. As you can see, the numbers make up. Let me just refresh this really quickly so you can see. The month isn't done yet, so we'll probably hit like 200, 225K somewhere in there this month. We got 184 MRR, 607 active clients, and yeah, stuff seems to be going pretty good. So 3 things we're going to cover in this call. Number 1, what I actually do. Number 2, why it's valuable to people and why they actually like it. Then number 3, how we actually get clients and how you can get clients. And then if you're lucky, at the end, I'll even give you a bonus on how you can basically stop pressing buttons and just delegate this entire thing. So you just get money on autopilot. So let's start out here. Yeah, right here. Perfect. So what do I actually sell? So we basically sell websites and an entire system actually for $297 a month using Go High Level, right? So I'll just show you the websites really quickly. So this is what they look like. And just so you guys know, like these are all AI generated websites. They pretty much all look the same. It's one template. I'm not making custom websites for contractors or whatever, right? It's all the same shit. Like this is one for, for concrete. This is one for plumbers. We've got one here for porches. We've got one here for basements. See, I went through a bunch of these. Yeah, landscaping here. So like it's literally all the same, like the exact same thing, just different pictures and different text. But AI just generates it for you and there you go. It's done. So it makes it very easy. So the reason why this is actually valuable, right? And the reason why this system works so well is because for $297 a month, the only thing that needs to happen is that contractors get one job a year off of your system and it will have paid itself many times over for the year. So that's literally all you need to do. So very, very, very simple. And the way that we basically just do that is by number 1, getting them 5-star Google reviews, which we have a thing for it basically over here where if they, want to leave a bad review, goes here, they leave a good review. Yeah, oh, hold on, bad example. Well, it would go straight to this page basically where they can leave a review. Okay. So it'll basically bring them up higher in Google, make sure that more people see them and they actually get some business. Then we have automatic lead follow-up. Let's say, I want a back porch design or whatever the fuck, right? So if I fill this out right here and I click on send, now we're going to follow up, or the automated system is going to follow up with those leads to make sure that it comes through. So if that lead comes through because we actually were able to respond fast, that's a job that you generated right there. And it came from the website. Same thing, missed call text back. Okay. So let's say I call this guy on his phone number right here. Okay. And he doesn't pick up. Automatically, we can tell that he didn't pick up. We can follow up with that lead via text message, okay? And you could even do this with AI, by the way, guys, just so you know. So sky's the limit here. And all of that stuff goes into the mobile app from Go High Level. So now they're using your app, they're using your website, they're using the entire system, and before you know it, they've been with you for quite literally like over a year, okay? And why? Not because we're selling them a service, but because we're selling them an entire system. Think of it like this, right? If you've got a CRM right now, how many times have you switched CRMs? Probably never. So how many times do you usually switch websites? Not too often, especially if you've got all these other things as well. So that's the exact same reasoning that we have. And this is why it's so valuable to give this to contractors. And I can even show you guys. If I just type in like, let's do landscaper Miami, for example, and let's just like look at the people like on here. Let's look at a couple of these websites, right? So I'm just taking 3 random ones or 4 random ones. Like, what the fuck is this? Look at this website. Like this is not even that bad, right? But like this is gonna go to email. It's gonna take him like 5 days to respond. These things just don't convert. Look at this. What the fuck is this? This is literally a simple Wix website. Like like there's nothing here. Like the level of websites and systems that these contractors have is so ridiculously low. You wouldn't fucking believe it. Like look at this. Look at this website. This looks like a 5-year-old made it. This one doesn't even fucking work. Okay? These people are making a ton of money. $297 isn't even their goddamn breakfast for the month. Okay? They can easily afford this, and it makes more than enough sense to like install it for these people because they're gonna make more money for it. So it's a very, very valuable, and you guys are gonna love this. So we've got this other thing right here. It's called the McDonald's upsell. Okay. So you maybe you're like, well, it's $297 a month. I need like hundreds of clients to be able to, actually make a lot of money, blah, 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 blah. Cool. No worries at all. Okay. What you can do is after you've sold them on the 297, which is a super easy sell as well for all you people that are new out here. It's actually much easier to sell that than like Facebook ads or whatever. So you can sell them after you've already sold them and they already know, like, and trust you. What do you think would be easier? If you're trying to sell someone on $1,500 a month Facebook ads when you've already got their credit card, you're already working with them, they already like, know, and trust you, and they're already happy with their services, or when they have no fucking clue who you are. I'm sure you can tell. So you can upsell them any of these things or more, basically whenever you've already sold them to get more revenue from them. So this is a really, really good way to do it. And the way that it works, this is why it's called a McDonald's upsell. You could literally even ask it after you've got the close. It's like, okay, well, you've got your burger now. Would you like some SEO with your burger? Do you want a Coke and fries with that? Do you want some Facebook ads with your burger? With your website? So that's the way that it works. And it works like a charm, I promise you. Now, how do you actually get clients? Very important as well, right? So there's two ways. There's one way if you're broke, and then there's another way if you have money, okay? The one that if you have money is going to be way better. But truth be told, I got to 10K with the one that you can use if you're broke, because as a matter of fact, I was broke. So the way that it works is, number one, you're going to scrape leads from Outscraper. So basically, it's just using Google Maps and like taking the phone numbers and so forth from like landscapers, for example, or plumbers or whatever business that you want. And then you would either cold call these people, or you would send texts out to them, and then the people that respond positively, you would call those people up. Preferably, you do both. I got to 10K a month in like 3 to 4 months using this exact strategy, okay? So it definitely works. Then they would book a call, or well, you would book a call with them on the phone call. Then you bring them on a Zoom meeting and try to close them, right? Now, the way that we're doing it right now, because obviously we have some capital, is we run meta ads. So we run meta ads online. We bring them into a landing page where they have like a video where they can see, okay, this is what these guys do. This is how it works. This is what I can expect, blah, 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 blah. We're basically trying to pre-sell them. Then they book a call on the next page, and then we try to close them on the sales. Obviously, not everyone closes, right? Maybe like 50% or so as of right now, basically. But this is how you can get clients from it. And then obviously you're probably wondering, well, Michael, this seems like so much work. And, how am I going to do all of this? The websites are completely automated. You really don't need to do anything for it. Or if you do, you can literally get a $5 VA to do this for you. Like I have the SOP if you want it. First link in the description, by the way, it's literally free. So you can just get that. And yeah, it's literally 100% automated, or you just get a $5 VA to do it. So it's pretty fucking easy. Now, get to work.